Just when you thought the mortgage market couldn't get any more confusing, up pops the green mortgage. Is this mere marketing buzz, or is a green mortgage something you could or should be considering? Let's take a look, let's get into it. Well, the two most wallet-squeezing outgoings for most home buyers, if not all of them, are the monthly mortgage payments and the energy bills to run the house. Mortgage interest rates are still hovering at or near their highest for nearly 15 years, and so are energy prices. A typical household is now estimated to be forking out a really hefty, well, it's just under £2,000 per year on gas and electricity alone. That's pretty ouchy. So a mortgage that aims to address both these worries by rewarding home buyers for buying an eco-friendly property or for taking steps to make their pad greener seems like a great step in the right direction. By the way, if you're house hunting, make sure you download our HOMEBUYERS toolkit, which contains an invaluable and comprehensive checklist that you really should go through before you make an offer. There's a link with this episode to get yours. It's absolutely free, so do go ahead. So, green mortgages. They first emerged around 2019, and now just under 60% of lenders have at least one green mortgage product available. Frustratingly, there isn't a single green mortgage definition, but the general principle is that they give preferential rates and or cashback and or larger loans to borrowers whose homes are the most energy efficient. For instance, last year Nationwide launched a 0% loan for existing mortgage customers to fund energy efficient home improvements. And NatWest has opened an advice hub telling borrowers what improvements might entitle them to a green mortgage. Meanwhile, the Halifax offered up to £1,000 cashback to green mortgage borrowers who were installing approved features like a heat pump. It's worth bearing in mind that here in the UK we have some of the oldest, least energy efficient housing stock in Europe. Shockingly, some 60% of homes have energy ratings of D or below, and that makes them pretty damn inefficient. And of course, therefore also expensive to run. Measures like solar panels, heat pumps, new boilers, and more effective insulation are very badly needed in this country. But of course, yes, these involve big outlays, and most take years before the savings on energy bills cover the cost of installation. And that means many people just can't or won't shell out to make big changes. Well, that's where green mortgages can come in. Lower rates or cashback deals are an incentive to buy homes with energy performance certificates ratings of A, B or C, or to take a less energy efficient property from a D rating or below up into that C or above bracket. So how can you snaffle one of these green mortgage deals? Currently, most lenders with green products have taken the easy route and only give out these types of loans to those buying already efficient new build homes. But if you look around, some lenders are offering green remortgage or loan options. These let homeowners of older properties secure a new loan dedicated to boosting their home's energy efficiency. Anyone can apply, whether you're a first-time buyer, an existing owner, or remortgaging. If you're wondering what's in it for the lender, well, generally speaking, green properties are considered more attractive and likely to hold their value, so lending on one is potentially lower risk. And we know that lenders like low risk. It's also true that if a property is cheaper to run, they figure smaller bills mean you're less likely to fall behind on your mortgage repayments. So, is it a win-win for you and the lender? Well, not entirely. Not all green mortgages are going to be the cheapest on the market, even if you factor in the interest rate discounts. I do suggest that you have a chat with a mortgage broker who can look at the whole market and see what's the most appropriate deal for you in your given circumstances and budget. We made it super easy to get started with a link on the MOVEiQ website through to our approved panel of mortgage brokers. Let me know how you get on in the comments below, and do please drop us a follow to stay up to date with all things property related. I'll see you next time.